Hello to everyone. I'm here now at my construction site at my home, sweet home, in Angelan, Tagbuk, Davao City. Now, my dear viewers, thank you for viewing my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe at the bottom. And thanks for viewing my channel. God bless to all my viewers and subscriber around the globe. Now, I am now digging the septic tank. The carpenters are now digging the septic tank. I will show you how it is deep. Pilagay ni kakuan Jeff, 8 no? Mm. Wait. Oh, I will transfer the site so that you can see how look it look like. How deep is it is. It is it is. See, this is the soil from the sep- septic tank. That is how deep. Pila ka kuan ni meters? 2 meters, no? 2 meters square meters to 2 meters by side. This side and that side, and it is 8 feet. So see, you see how it look like. It's very deep and very big. So don't forget to watch until the end and the other my episode so that you can see how is it 200,000 look like. And tomorrow will be the ceiling of my home, sweet home. See, you see, you cannot wait. It's very hard to, yes. In that age, you can see it's very hard to find now because it is against the light. Now it's hard. Yes, it's the cedar. Tomorrow there is already a ceiling, roof ceiling. And now is the digging of my septic tank. And I will show you again how deep is it. It is 8 feet. You see, Jeffrey is in the side. Wave, Jeffrey. Wave. Hi. Oh, and it's very big. Very deep. So thank you again. So you see my house, the back. Yes, that's how it look like. And that is my lots 400 square meters up to there, up to there, and cacao. Now I will show you in my cacao. Yes, this is up to here, and at the side you can see tomorrow there is literally a rooftop. You see my cacao up to there and up to there. So very big. So thanks for Ate Lucy for this lot that she sold me and mixed utang-utang for 2 years. So bye bye, my viewers. God bless to everyone. I hope you are in good health and still kicking at this moment. God bless to everyone. Don't forget to pray to God every day. Bye bye.